Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can upgrade your storage in Abyss. Let's say you're running out of space right when you find a rare fish. There's nothing worse than having a full inventory or a full bag when a legendary mutated fish spawns. So in here, I want to show you where to find the storage NPC and also the cost. So in the oxygen zone, you just need to find Bill. And here, this is Bill. You can talk to him if you want to upgrade your storage. So just click on upgrade my storage in here. And then here you'll need $1,250 or money. So you can upgrade your bags in here. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks.